Hi, thanks for joining me today. We're going to do a super powerful meditation today. This is in the series using chants. With a lot of these old yogis and all the studies they did, and they kind of conducted these scientific studies that would determine how chants would affect our well-being. This is one of those chants that's super powerful. It's called a seed chant. And the reason it's called the seed chant is because it can heal us from anything. And also, we can project that healing into the world. So isn't that what we need in this day, is to help others heal, right? So stay with me and we will dive into it. I'm sure a lot of you know this chant. It's Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hung. And we'll have that written on the bottom for those of you that don't know the chant, so you can follow along easily. It's called the Siri Mantra chant. It's just one of the oldest chants of all time. So we get to do it. How lucky for us, because I promise you it will have a healing effect. You know me, when I say let's jump into it, I also love giving some background information. So I'm just going to keep talking just a little bit longer, so stay with me. I want to explain what that chant means. Ra is the energy of the sun. It is strong and it purifies us. Ma is the energy of the moon, and it's a cooling statement for us. It allows us to be receptive. Da is the energy of the earth, so we can be grounded. Sa is infinity, so it gives us the totality of everything. Se is the totality of experience. It's really personal. It's like really speaking to your soul. So is the sense of merging with the infinite. Hung is the vibrating infinite sound of all that is. So hung means I am thou. So that's what we're going to practice today. I can't wait. We're going to bring our arms up 45-degree angle, and we're going to have our palms facing the sky. Make sure you have a very strong posture. I always think about the kundalini because it's like a snake. You know, the snake at the base, when it curves up, at that base point, it's super strong. It's like just pure muscle. And it curves up and then it relaxes near the top. It's got this beautiful curve. And so if we can maintain that with our own spine when we're in these meditations, we have a nice strong lower 3 chakra area, and then we open up our chest and relax our shoulders back. When we're in these mudras for extended periods of time, like this one we need to do for 11 minutes, you don't get tired, right? So we really want to have the proper posture. Set an intention for the person that you want to heal or the situation. It could even be yourself. And when we end this meditation, you're also going to think very powerfully about that person, situation, or yourself being perfectly healed in radiant light. Okay, so here we go. Let's go into our mudra. Remember the kundalini snake. We're going to close our eyes, gaze at the third eye. We're going to say the entire mantra on the inhale. Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hung. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. On the So, we're going to pull our navel points in powerfully. And on the Hung, we're just going to do even more of a little pull in. But we're not going to extend that pull in. We're just going to be so hung, right? So hung on the pull in, and just inhale again. So we don't want to linger there. All right, here we go. On the inhale, Rama da sa sa se so hung. 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 Ramadasa sa se sohang. 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 Take a deep inhale. Bring the hands over the head. Stretch up. And exhale down. Maintain a meditation with your eyes closed, gazing at the third eye. Imagining the light, the healing light, the power of that mantra and your meditation and your focus, healing completely that who you are focusing on. Imagine that person, that group, that situation, yourself completely, perfectly, radiantly healed. Bring your hands together in prayer position. Give thanks for the deeply powerful effects that you are having to help others, to help yourself, to heal yourself. Give yourself thanks. Focus into that beautiful heart of yours, that beautiful treasure chest within. Slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. And just bring your hands down. Wow, family, friends, awesome ones that are joining me to help the world, help others through this healing meditation. This is such a great honor and privilege that I have to be in your company. This is what makes the world a better place. And I just want to give thanks to you for being here. So that's all for today. Please leave a comment or subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I can't wait to see you next week. Bye for now.